Hi, I'm Tada of Madatsukaerude. Madatsukaerude is Japanese, meaning you can still use it. So let's repair it yourself and save money, energy, and resources. Okay, I'm gonna work on the ignition switch. One screw on the right, and next one on the left. And I found one more here. Alright, I took the cover off, and this is the ignition switch. Okay, I have to turn this to accessory and then push the pin. There we go. So this is from the my Rav4, and this is from the Cypress. I don't know if I can replace the cylinder or not. I will try. The size is so different. I don't know. This guy, but the cylinder, this length difference is also questionable. So what? I think I have to take this off. So the ring also. I don't think I can. I can replace this. So that means I have to use the separate key for the engine, and doors are different. I think this cylinder will probably extend to here. I can take it apart. Okay, this guy's off. Then there we go. So I don't think I can use this for this. Well, I have to accept this. So I'm gonna put this guy back to the car, and I'm gonna use two keys for this car. One is for the doors, the other is for the engine. Okay. Right. Okay, this is back on. So what I have to do is use this key for the engine and the other key for the doors. And unfortunately, I couldn't find the entire rekeying kit with the new key, so I ended up with buying old or used cylinder set and a key. And unfortunately, that ignition port does not fit to this one, so it's not exactly the same model. I don't know what year. I think the year was a similar year, but the model in Cyprus, the Rav4 running in Cyprus might be different from what's running in the US. So I have to take that, and I hope I can find the entire the cylinder and key rekeying kit. But I did the web search, but I couldn't find it. So if you know somewhere, please let me know. Okay, I think this is done, well done. Actually, now the power lock works, and also the both passenger side and driver side locks can be unlocked with one key. That's great, and also the hatch can be opened. So the big improvement. All right, thank you very much. Bye.